Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to use a Visa gift card on Temu. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So first thing we need to do here is we need to open up our Temu mobile application. Now in this case, you need to log in, and once logged in, you want to start adding your items into your cart. In this case, go ahead and search any item that you want to add, and once it's added into your cart, go ahead and click on the cart item, which is located at the bottom right of your screen. Now in this case, choose any items that you want to check out, and from here, just click on checkout. Now on the next page, it's going to ask you to select other items here, but for now, I'm going to click on continue checkout. Now on the checkout section, what we need to do here is we just need to choose the option here for a card. Now in this case, just click on add new card here, and from here you just need to provide any information that requires that for you to basically use that specific gift card. Now in this case, go ahead and choose or enter the required information, which include your card number, the expiration date, and CVV if needed. Now, once you provide all those information, you can go ahead and just continue with the payment and submit your order, and from then on, you should be good. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.